I, do you want to be in a position to be able to take care of your family? Click the link below to learn more. I am Everett Edwards from Ontario, Canada. I'm a husband, a father, an immigrant, and a postal worker for over 10 years. The idea of not being in a position financially to take care of your family was very concerning to me, especially during this pandemic when there were so many uncertainties. So I knew that I had to find something else. And trust me, I've tried so many other business ideas and they all fail. And I happened to find this ad on YouTube of this couple from Calgary, Alberta, and they were presenting this business opportunity. I was curious. I clicked their link, I registered my full name and email address, and they were able to send me a link to a 90-minute webinar. I watched the webinar and I was blown away by the system that they were offering. At first, I was skeptical, of course, because after trying all this and now to be presented with something else, um, I was skeptical. But I signed up, and today I can proudly say that I am an online business owner. So if you want to be in a position to be able to take care of your family, this business might be for you. Click the link below, register your full name and email address, and we will send you the link to a 90-minute webinar and all the information that you need. Click the link below and see you on the inside. Thank you. Blessings to you and family.